Hey guys, you know what day it is? That's right. It's Snap-on Wednesday, After Hours edition. We have to get this truck set back up. We sold the box today, and we got a used box behind me there, and the floors are filthy in here. So we are going to spend Wednesday night getting this truck set back up. Let's get at it. So here's the plan. I need to get some tool storage out of here. I need a triple bank. I could do this white one. I need a cart. We have this gray and red one. There's a green one there. So here's some more of the stuff. We have this black cart with the stainless steel on the bottom. I have a black one of them. We have that green one there. I took this welder in on trade, I don't know, 8 months ago. I should probably put that on the truck. This black and green box would be a good one to have on there, so I'll put that on, and then one of the two triple banks will get loaded up. So the triple bank will go down here. I'm gonna take out this trade-in I took and put that green and black one right there. We'll get some carts in here. All kinds of fun. All right, guys, we got everything loaded up in here. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the different stuff. It's about 9:30. We started a little after 7 and still have a little bit of paperwork to do yet. But let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got going on here. Right up front, we got a bunch of YouTube stuff. My mess up here, my work computer. But let's go on down. We got the white one on here with the blue trim. I really like that anodized color on there. I think that looks really cool. I found a bunch of scanners, so I figured I should bring them on there. I got one in the box here, one open, one behind it. I think there's one hiding. I got 4 on here for now and a bunch more in storage. We got the EELD 100 smoke machine, couple of the jump boxes, a MiG 160 with the aluminum attachment kit, my dirty gloves. And I put the green cart in the back, the one with the stainless on the bottom. That's really nice for cleaning that out. And it just barely fits underneath the puller cabinet. Just barely fits. We still got our used tool bin where we keep our trade-ins and stuff like that in there. Easy so it's not floating all over the place in a bucket or something. And then I did keep the used red box on there. Look at, there's Trekky's water dish. I don't know what happened to his other one. The knife's all lit up and put away nice, except for the one I took out to open a package. But other than that, we got everything pretty much cleaned up. Floors are vacuumed, and we are going to be ready for Thursday. So I know I said I was going to do a 2-minute tools today, but then we ended up selling the one box, and I had to load up because I needed the extra box in here. So we got that black and green one on here. And I had a bunch of other stuff to do, so I figured I'd just show you a little bit of what it's like after the route. You know, we were on the road during the day, so stuff we can't do, especially I live about an hour away from my route, so I can't just buzz home at lunchtime and restock or something like that. Have to do it after hours, so it's getting late. I still got a bunch of paperwork to do over there, so I appreciate you guys spending some time with me, and I'll see you next time.